Okay, for this video we're just going to have a quick try on how the Meguiars works with interior trim, and we're also going to tackle exterior trim today, so a bit of inside and outside. The process is going to be the same. The sugar soap first, the Meguiars, and we need gloves obviously, and this is the project for the day. We're going to do the door and we're going to do the exterior trim. We've got some music playing, but let's look at the important parts. We're going to redo the door trim from the interior. So you might be wondering why I actually bothered to take the exterior trim off the car. You know, why bother putting in the effort taking it off the car? Well, if I just look over here, see, nobody's probably touched that since the car's been manufactured, so it's really dirty. That needs to be all cleaned, and sometimes the biggest problems are the ones that you can't see. And there we go, too easy. Just a quick little simple job. So this is the inside of the door trim, and you know what, it looks pretty clean, right? But then you take a close-up look and look at all the build-up. So we have to take care of all of that too. But from here it looks okay, right? We've wiped down everything with the sugar soap at the moment, and everything has just come up a bit more cleaner. Okay, so this is everything after I've applied one coat of the Meguiars protectant. You can see everything's come up a lot cleaner and shinier. It's that sort of that waxy coat. There is shine. It does look nice, it does look refreshed. So this is it looks a lot different on the grey plastic. The shine is a lot different compared to the black. You can see that. Alright, this is after 2 coats of the Meguiars Ultimate Protectant. Again, I think 2 coats is plenty. It's all that I need. Everything's come back like new again, but it does have that surface glossy sort of waxy sheen to it. You can even see with my glove again, it's really bright and glossy. But yeah, all the plastics come back really clean again. I am still a skeptic on how long it will last, but it has come up a lot cleaner. Alright guys, so there you have it. One more door done. It's come up a lot clearer. I've just got the light shining on there to show the sort of the gloss. Let's look at the front bumper section. Okay, so let's look at the plastic hubcaps. I reckon they take the most wear and tear, and they're the most faded of all the plastics. What I'm going to use is a bit of brake cleaner first, and then the Meguiars Ultimate Protectant, and see how well they come up. I've given them a quick wipe down at the moment. I mean, they're covered with brake dust, they're covered with road grime, but I really want to see if I can restore these things, and I'm just going to saturate them. I'm going to saturate them with the Meguiars Ultimate Protectant and see how clean they can come up. So most people wouldn't recommend using brake cleaner on plastic parts. This plastic is pretty strong, it's pretty robust. If you spray it on and then wipe it off really quickly, it actually comes up okay, and it does get a lot of the grease and grime off. So if you very quickly spray and wipe, you can use the brake cleaner. Quick comparison, you can see here that I've done 2 of them, and these 2 have just been cleaned with the brake cleaner. These have one coat of the Meguiars Ultimate Protectant, and you can see the difference already in the plastic. So guys, I think using the brake cleaner beforehand has actually helped the Meguiars Ultimate Protectant. It's actually helped it stick to the plastic and perform a little bit better. It could just be me over analyzing things, but I think the for a prep step for preparation, maybe the brake cleaner is not such a bad idea. So that's had one coat so far, and I'll finish these other 2. So these are the plastic caps after 1 coat. They've come up pretty good. I think they've come a long way. So that's 1 coat of the Meguiars Ultimate Protectant. Okay guys, so this is after 2 coats of the Meguiars. I can say that there has been a restoration. It's very shiny, it's very glossy. The plastic has come up really fresh. I really think the brake cleaner might have helped with the product also. So can you really restore plastic? Can plastic be restored? Or is it just like a sunscreen that's applied over the top of the plastic? Is it just a waxy coating? So that's 2 coats of the Meguiars Ultimate Protectant. Okay, so the door panel trimming has come off, and again, it's no surprise that there's a lot of dirt behind there, so that needs to be tidied up. Here's the trim. We'll tidy this up too, and once again we've got a bit of treatment to do with the Meguiars Ultimate Protectant and this plastic. Okay, so here we go. The hubcaps. That was the bumper done a few days ago. These are the fresh parts. All done with 2 coats. And then you see the old part of the bumper that I haven't done yet.